Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast of Cooking. Tonight coming at you another one of my lower carb recipes. That's kind of the gig I'm going to be doing here for a while because we're trying to cut back on the carbs ourselves. So anyway, you see some really good food. We're going to do a chicken, bacon, ranch, broccoli casserole tonight. With cheese and all kind of good stuff. So y'all come on. I'm going to start here. Of course, I'm going to take my Doberman Forge custom slicer here. I got a little loaner from Doberman Forge, and we're going to get to dicing up some of this chicken. Let me show y'all, come in here, what I've done. Now, I've parboiled this chicken. I got my wife to do this earlier because I want to show you this is something that you can do. You can prep for it earlier in the week or something like that, early in the day. And it just needs to be something kind of fast, because this is a weeknight meal. It's something you don't want to sit there and put a whole ton of time into. So basically, what we're going to do, I got my safety glove on over here, just in case. We're just going to slice through this chicken, all right? And I'm just going to kind of cube it up, y'all, just for the purpose of this casserole. You know what I'm saying? Just a nice, chicken breast. You want to season your water. Y'all know how to do that. You could bake it if you wanted to. You could even grill it out there if you want to. But it's kind of nasty there. And we're going to just chop it just like that. Okay. And that's what I want to do. I just want to make little chunks here for y'all and show you what we're doing with this chicken. And just like that, okay. Just dice it up. That way everything is pre-cooked, kind of what goes in this casserole. Chop it up just a little bit more. And you see kind of the texture, what we're going for. I'll put that in a big bowl on the side. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5, 6 chicken breasts for this recipe that I'm gonna do like this, y'all. Now y'all can see we got the chicken diced up. Now what I want to do, I want to flavor the chicken a little bit more. I got some of this duck fat spray right here. Again, y'all check the description box, show you where you can get all products. Spray that on there a little bit, because what it's going to do, not only is it going to impart a little bit of flavor to that bland chicken, is it'll help these seasonings to stick, okay? And duck fat just goes well with chicken or turkey or anything like that, okay? So you get a little bit of that sprayed on there. Then I'm gonna go in with some Heavy Made products, this incredible rub. All right. It's important you want to season your chicken, right? And then I've got some of the Heavy Made products, the Amazing Blazing Cajun. Now I like the Heavy Made product stuff because it's lower in salt, okay? That's the main thing. Salt is way on down the bottom of the ingredient list, okay? So that's good. And speaking of salt, put a little bit of these liquid aminos in there, all right? It's something I've been using here just lately that, it does impart a lot of flavor. And they say use it in place of soy sauce. It gives that different flavor that you can hardly get, without... so we got that there. Okay. I'll coat that. Alright. Turn that over. What's on the bottom, bring that to the top. Give it a little bit more duck fat. And just kind of flavor again. A little bit of Heavy Made. It's incredible. And a little bit of the Blazing Cajun. You don't have to use the Blazing Cajun. You can use the regular. I like spicy, so I use the Blazing. So... anyway, that should be good for that. And now we come back over to our cutting board. I've got some broccoli that I've gently steamed just a little bit. You want to get it kind of par cooked here. And what we're going to do is just going to take some of the root off of it just like that. And I'm going to throw those pieces, those florets, okay, in there with the chicken. Now if you want to leave that root on there, that's up to you. To me, I want to release the florets so they'll spread without the casserole, throughout the casserole, okay? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going through, just kind of taking a little bit more of that root piece off, and we'll just go ahead and put those florets in there with the chicken. It'll just kind of, like I said, let it all kind of break apart, get good in there. So that's what we're going to do with this. I've got about this much broccoli. I didn't mean to say the root, you know what I mean, the stem, just a stalk or stem, whatever you want to call it. Now look what I got. I got about 12 strips, applewood smoked, good bacon. We'll go through, I busted lengthwise first, right there with the Doberman. And then we'll just hit him just like that. Making these bacon bits to go in here to impart the real deal flavor. And these don't have to be all uniform. In fact, sometimes when I'm making bacon bits like this, I like to make them all different sizes, different taste profiles, they'll feel in the mouth. Let's just get that down through there. Oh man, nothing like making your own homemade bacon bits, man. It's so much better than that junk you buy that's in a bag. I mean, I don't even consider that bacon bits. So when we get all these over there, evacuated into, you see what I'm doing here? I want y'all to be able to see this beautifulness. Oh yeah, there we go. Isn't that salad fit for a king? Pretty much. So what we're gonna do, oh, watch out, I don't cut myself. I'm gonna put all that bacon over in there. All right, then we'll come in with the last few ingredients right here before we pan it up, okay? All right, first we're gonna go in some cheeses. I got about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of sharp cheddar, and then the same amount of mozzarella. Okay, go in like that. Let's just kind of try to get that to go down some, okay? Then we got some ranch dressing. All right, come on. Just probably not just enough left in this bottle. Do the trick, if that. Okay, ranch dressing there, and I'm gonna like put a little bit of this red hot sauce in there, ranch hot, because I like almost a buffalo ranch. A little bit of that. I'll be right back. One more thing I want to add. I got some just Kroger hot wing sauce. I just had like a tablespoon of that left. I think that'd be good. Add a little bit of flavor. And then of course you want to put a little bit of mayonnaise in there. Like that. Okay. Just kind of this binder. It helps out. Now we're going to just get it down in here with 2 hands and get all this mixed up. Go ahead and turn the camera off for that because I won't have to try to turn the camera off with dirty hands. Okay, so I got that all stirred up right there. You get you a pan, all right. What do you call this? It's 6x9, something like that. And I'm 12. Get you some more of the duck fat here. Just use that to spray the pan. Man, that stuff's so much better than pan, bring that garbage. All right, then you just got to go in here. Let's load this thing up and just grab you some heaping handfuls. And just load it in the pan. Just like that. I probably have enough for 2 pans with this recipe. So go ahead just like that. Get that loaded up. Okay. Chicken, bacon, broccoli, all the goodies. Okay. Yeah. I may be able to squeeze it all in one pan. There'll be a heaping help in there. It's like I just don't have enough left to quite make 2 pans of it, so we'll have to just make this work. Just kind of spread it out a little bit. push it down. I don't want to pack it too tight in here. Just like that. Then we'll go get this over to the oven. The oven's sitting on 350. Let it just bake off in the oven just for a little bit. Probably checking about, I'd say 15 minutes as it sounds. Alright y'all, so here it is all ready to go. Now the oven. Let's give it a try. Like any other casserole, just kind of cut it out with a spatula. Something like that. My plate, my whole thing sliding off. I'm gonna get my whole plate over here. Y'all can see. I'll plate it up a little bit. Okay. Make too much of a mess. I'm gonna try a little piece here tonight. I'll need to be eating this late at night. So let's give it a try. It sure does look good. I'll say that. Cooked it till it was nice and bubbly. And just get everything here on a fork. Yo, that is good. Man, that is cheesy. Chicken's good. You can taste that flavor from all those good spices I put in there. Man, oh man. That's some good stuff, y'all. You need to try this. And I'm not even missing the rice in here. You got your plenty of broccoli, plenty of good cheese, stuff like that. Yeah, that's some good stuff, y'all. Thanks so much. Y'all please like my videos, sub my channel. Make sure to check the description box where you can get all this stuff. And so I'm gonna keep coming at you with some of these good recipes. Tasty, but a little bit better for you. So anyway, try to push the bread aside here lately and the pasta. Thank y'all so much. God bless, and y'all have a good one. And it's good.